And right now on News 4 at 6, the political winds of campaign law lead to more charges by the state attorney general.
Plus, this mangled mess has a pregnant woman fighting for her life tonight at ECMC.
And a corrections officer finds himself on the wrong side of the law.
A former Erie County Democratic Party chairman and a political strategist is now facing felony charges. Good evening, everyone. Steve Pigeon and two other associates pleaded not guilty today to violating state election law.
Pigeon is also fighting bribery and grand larceny charges in a separate case. News 4's Dave Graber has more on what happened in court today. Dave?
Jackie, the former leader of Erie County's Democratic Party and two of his cohorts were charged today with setting up an illegal committee to fund the election of three local politicians. The state says Steve Pigeon, Mizurek, and David Pfaff set up the scheme to hide the fact they were breaking campaign finance laws. And they said that they failed to report tens of thousands of dollars to the State Board of Elections. It's a case that's been kicked around Erie County politics for years.
Mr. Pigeon, the felony complaint charges 4 counts here.
But today, all the chatter turned into criminal charges as Steve Pigeon, the former leader of the county's Democratic Party, was charged with setting up a shell committee to bankroll the campaigns of three local politicians.
How do you plead to those charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Joel Daniels, who's representing another defendant, Mizurek, said state election laws are fuzzy.
It's kind of like going through a maze. There's a lot of twists and turns. But essentially, that's what we're going to be dealing with here. And we are confident, all of us, that this matter will be resolved favorably.
Pigeon, Mizurek, and David Pfaff each pleaded not guilty to the 4 felonies they faced, and each was released without bail. The state attorney general's office says in 2013, Pigeon, Mizurek, and Pfaff created the Western New York Progressive Caucus, which allowed them to contribute tens of thousands of dollars for 2 candidates for county legislature and 1 candidate for town supervisor. Mark Satcha, a former attorney with the Erie County DA's office, blew the whistle on this case almost a decade ago, and he says he was fired over it. He called Pigeon a political kingmaker.
This is what happens when politics is allowed to infect the entire legal system, the judiciary, the election system. The entire system is working in a way to give special justice to Steve Pigeon, and it has for 10 years. So the fact that he finally got charged wouldn't happen for the rest of us, and it shouldn't.
Now, Pigeon, Mizurek, and Pfaff each faced 3 counts of election law violations and 1 count of filing a false instrument. Each of those charges is a felony. If convicted on all of those counts, they could face up to 4 years in prison. Live in the newsroom, Dave Graber, News 4 at 6.